Okay, so I'm gonna show that flow of blood. Before I do so, I want to remember which side's the right and the left because it's on a piece of paper. So if I crisscross my arms, my right hand is gonna go on the crisscross over here. My left hand is gonna come over there. So my right side of my heart is actually that side of the paper. My left side is the opposite side. So that's how we're gonna be able to tell the difference. So really quick, I just want to make note that the right side of my heart is deoxygenated blood. Or carbon dioxide rich blood. And then the left side is equal to oxygenated. Or oxygen rich blood. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and draw that flow. So the blood goes in, through again, and then out. Okay, and it's going in through my vena cava to my right atrium, to my let's see, number 1, through my tricuspid valve. Put okay. From my tricuspid valve, it goes into the right ventricle. And then out my pulmonic or my pulmonary valve. Okay. And then it goes through my pulmonary artery toward the lungs. And why does it need to go to the lungs? Because I need to get oxygen. So then my blood's going to go back into my heart. Goes back into my heart through that valve, up through that valve, and then out. To the rest of the body. So it comes back in through our pulmonary veins. Okay. Then it goes into, from the pulmonary veins, into the left atrium, through the mitral valve, to the left ventricle, out the aortic valve, into the aorta. Okay, So, and then out the rest of the body. So my blood flows into the vena cava, or in from the vena cava, and the rest of the body. To my right atrium, through the tricuspid valve, to the right ventricle, out the pulmonic valve, through the pulmonary arteries to the lungs. I take a deep breath in. Gas exchange happens. I go back through my pulmonary veins to my heart, to the left atrium, through my mitral valve, into my left ventricle, out the aortic valve, into my aorta, and then out into the rest of my body. If I want to, I can color so that way I know this is my deoxygenated blood. And then here, my blood is oxygenated. Okay. So that is my oxygenated blood. And then my deoxygenated. All right, and there's our foldable.